Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to share live location on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to share your live location on Snapchat can be helpful in various situations. It allows you to share your real-time whereabouts with friends or contacts, making it easier to coordinate meetups, share experiences, or let others know where you are for safety reasons. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so now you can enter to Map tabs. After that, look for Settings and then tap on it. Okay, so now you can turn this toggle off to share your live location. Okay, after that, you can select to whom you will share your live location and then click Save. Well, that's the tutorial on how to share live location on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.